Okay, just a quick and brief update. So these wet wipes are really good because I sanded down the windowsill, skirt boards, and the door. And from past experience, what I've come to realize is that when you're actually sanding, you're creating all this dust. And when you start to paint, it starts to build up on your brush and starts to make things look a lot blotchy. And I like a smooth finish. Smooth finish is nice. I don't like to see these little bumps. So I got the wet wipes, and these are water-based. No solvents, no nothing. So it's not going to spoil the paint, and it's going to dry relatively quick. So this is one coat. And you can see I've got no coat now. There. So I'm about to do that. So the room's looking pretty good so far. Oh, I've done the patching up there. And then I've done some of here. As I said, the majority of the stuff I use is from B&Q. I get some stuff from Screwfix. These brushes, it's really good to get these brushes because you get a whole range of brushes in this one packet. And I think this was, I can't remember, like £15, £20, who knows? I'll put a link down below and you can actually see. And the putty I used was just some, this was like £3-4. It's dial, I think we call it. And it's just got a, same spatula. What do you call this? A putty spreader? I'm a novice DIY. So, where are we at? This is day 2. And everything's looking pretty good. And when I'm finished, I'll give you guys an update.